Hi you guys, I'm back with my January Planner Perfect journal flip through, and I made this big funky junky journal charm to go with it. I thought it was really cute with pink and white all over it. I like this little girl and the flower. So cute. I'm gonna go ahead and put this to the side. I really like how she turned out. She's really cute. I got this card from my sister that I put in here. And I like how he turned out. I like this one also. And I like her purple hair. And then this is just a little tag that I put inside of here. I got these glue sticks that I had recommended to me, and I got them off of Amazon. And this is the brand, and they really are nice glue sticks. Like, they stick really well and they smell really good. They did take a long time to arrive. If you're on the market for some glue sticks, you might want to check those out. And then I made this little tag. I have a tutorial on how to make this, and I'll link that up above. It just has a little pocket on it. It's really cute. I like how it turned out. And then I just have it inside of this little flower piece of ephemera that I made. I like this little pink kitty, how she turned out. She's cute in these houses. And then I got this little thing called Sunny Angel Hipper, and I just put the ephemera from it inside of here. They just kind of hang like on a phone or some sort of piece of electronics. Looks like this. So it's just a little baby doll, and then she has like a little sticker thing. You have to just peel off this little clear tab, and then you stick her to your phone, and then she just kind of hangs on your phone. It's really cute. But this was the ephemera from it. I like this little guy peeking around the corner. And I went to the dentist this day, so I had kind of a frowny face girl on there. And this was just a little tag and a piece of Happy Mail that I got. And then I have a knitting channel. I can link that up above, but I made a knit and crochet makes video on this day, and then I posted it to the knitting channel. So I'll link that up above if you're interested in checking it out. And then this little piece of ephemera came from, actually I think it was a button company. I got a couple of buttons, like handmade buttons. And then I got something from Roxy Creations. I got some fabric for my slow stitching. I've been working on some slow stitching, and I can link one of those slow stitching videos up above if you're interested in checking it out to see what I've been working on. I like her, how she turned out. And him. And then I have a tutorial on how to make this. It's just like a little flip out. I'll link that up above. And it has 3 tags that I put in it, and then I drew on the back of the tags. But of course you could journal on them. I like how she turned out. She's cute too. And then I have another little piece of ephemera that you can just journal on. I didn't write on it yet though. And then this just flips out, and then you can decorate the back. Or you could glue this onto your journal. I like how these 2 turned out too. All right, you guys, I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.